Hey guys, CJ here. This video is unfortunately going to be one of my last ones with the GSX 650F as I've got it up for sale. I've decided to sell the bike because I'm no longer using it. I've had some great fun with it and I've done some great trips around, but it's no longer getting used. So my plan is to sell the bike, and whatever money I get I'm going to put back into my photography and video business in an effort to try and push that. Don't worry, I'm planning to keep the channel going. It will be in a slightly different direction. It's going to still be bike related, but I'm going to just branch out like I've talked about in the past. I've been speaking to my local Honda garage and they're actually interested in working with me on some random videos. I'm hoping to just test the water with a couple of bits. I may still do some how-to guides. I'm probably going to try and do some like exhaust tests, try and get some behind the scenes at what garages and dealerships actually do from the bike side of things. I'm hoping to let me do like an unboxing of a bike because I know they come in big crates and things like that. So it's still bike focused, but just a bit different from the how-to guides. If you've got any ideas for any other things you'd like me to do on the channel, please let me know down in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.